Exciting news from GoPro. Today, they're unveiling their latest flagship action camera, the GoPro Hero13 Black. This new model comes with interchangeable lenses and a magnetic mounting system, plus some handy quality of life upgrades. While the resolutions and frame rates are similar to the Hero12 Black, the Hero13 introduces new customization options. What makes the Hero13 stand out? GoPro is launching a range of HB series lenses, including an ultra-wide lens, ND filters, a macro lens, and an upcoming anamorphic lens. These lenses are easy to attach and maintain. The Hero13's waterproof capabilities. The camera automatically adjusts settings based on the attached lens, enhancing your shooting experience. Pre-orders start today, with shipments expected to begin on September 10th. The Hero13 Black is priced at $400 or $600 for the Creator Edition, which includes a medium on, light mod, and Volta power grip. GoPro is also introducing a more affordable $200 Hero model, perfect for quick 4,000 action shots. Check out the video below to see the Hero13 Black in action.